Is it on? Okay. On. Hello, Mikey in the air. It's me, your friend Adrian. Thanks for supporting the channel, guys. I have 18 subscribers. Thank y'all. I'm about to hit 20 because I have this kid in my class. His name is Cody Russell. He said he'll subscribe and tell somebody else will subscribe, and then I'll have 20. Right now I have 18, but no, I'm gonna have 20. I need to reach 1,000 subscribers right now. Please do it, guys. I need to reach 1,000 subscribers. Anyways, in today's video, I'm going to show y'all how to do something that I've never done before, but I've always wanted to. Today, I'm going to show y'all how to operate a tractor. Like I said, I've never done a video like this before. I'm going to operate a John Deere 5E series tractor. Yeah, everywhere you look, everything's branded John Deere. Goes lawnmower, skid steer, tractor. I have 2 of them. That one we use that for planting, usually for mowing, pasture grass. There's Kevin. Kevin is gonna use this to cut pasture grass, and I'm probably gonna be angry because he never lets me. Anyways, I hope Kevin did hear that if you're watching this, because that'd be embarrassing. Anyways, goes from lawnmower, tractor, skid steer, pressure washer. I'll go ahead, it's in the barn. Wait a minute, where did he go? Where did it go? Where did the damn thing go? Where did the goddamn thing go? Where did the goddamn thing go? Where did the goddamn thing go? Fertilizer. Old one, that's the new one. He's bigger. Here goes the tractor. I hope I don't see a snake around here. That'd be scary. I hate snakes. They bite. Anyways. Which tractor should I show y'all how to operate? This one. You might have seen this one in one of my older videos that I did back in 2019. We use this one for disking and cultivating and other cool stuff. The cultivator's over there. My camera on my phone's being stupid. I'm recording on my phone. Anyways, what tractor should I show y'all how to operate? That one, you haven't seen that one in my videos. I think I'm gonna show y'all how to operate this one. You know what? Yeah, I think I'm gonna show y'all how to operate this one. This one is John Deere, like I said. It's a 5065E. Yeah, boy. Damn, look at this. Yeah, I think this is a 2016. It looks like a 2016. This one does not have the loader prep package. You can get it, but it's not available on this one. No weight carrier. We did not want to add too many options because we want to save some money. And all the lights are just standard bulbs. They're not LED like bigger. This is just a utility tractor. It's not big. It's not a road cross tractor. There's no duals on it or anything. It does not have an entry door, just like that one. That one has another entry door from the right side. I think you can add one as an option. I don't know. Mirror's folded in. I don't know what. If it was Kevin, I'm gonna be mad at him. Yeah. This one only has 1 SUV. That one has 3. Have an 8-foot. We have an 8-foot bush hog on it. It's a mower. It's an 8-foot. MX. I'm not sure what MX stands for. Let me know in the comments what y'all think what MX stands for. And 8 is the size. This is 8 feet wide. I'll go ahead and show you all inside the cab. We got a cab because we wanted a air condition. It does not require the DEF fluid. Anyways, inside it looks clean. And the other one, this one has been sitting in the barn for I don't know how long. Hasn't been out in the sun. This is for the loader. Right now we don't have one on it. We have it locked. Pull it out to unlock it. We're gonna leave it. Pull it out to unlock it. Push it in to lock it. Anyways. Got our dash right here. Let's see. We can see there's fuel gauge, turn signal, indicators, tachometer. Hour meter is down here, and there's the engine temperature. Another lights, you can't really see them. So we got a battery sensor, PTO. Anyways, I'll show you how to operate. That pedal right, these pedals. This one is the clutch. So you have to push the clutch in whenever you're shifting gears, and you also push in the clutch in basically when you're coming to a stop. So you just push the clutch in whenever you're shifting gears. And this is your gear selector, so make sure that it's in park. As in park. If you're using the range selector, this is your range selector. You have A, B, and C, which is road range. You don't have to press on the clutch, but if you're using the gear selector, you have to press on the clutch. Because if you don't press on the clutch, it's not going to work. Neutral, you have 4 gears. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Can't put it in 4. Oh, okay. And then you up and to the right is park. So you always want to start it in park. And that's your range selector. And this is your hydraulic SUV. And PTO is right here. Right now it's disengaged. Right there. You pull it up, it engages it. And it starts spinning that. Let me open the window so y'all can see. That's the PTO. That shaft is connected to the PTO. If you're using a mower, bush hog, or a tiller, you would use that. Like, close this. This is your shuttle shift. You can use this without clutching. I like to do it with the clutch. Some people like to do it with a clutch. A lot of people don't like to. Anyways, up is forward, and down is reverse. Make sure you leave it neutral. Neutral is going to be when you're parked. The steering wheel does tilt. You just... What's that? And then you have your throttle. This is your foot throttle. So, I like to use the foot accelerator a lot. Dad likes to use this, my dad. If your foot's getting tired, you can just crank the engine up using the hand throttle. Just... Sometimes I like to do that. deal. Right here we have heat ignition. I don't want to turn it on because I don't want to get in trouble. I don't want to get caught by Kevin. Kevin is a grumpster. Anyways. Now when you push the key in, it turns on the glow plugs. The glow plugs just like get the engine warm up so you can start it easier. And over here is brakes. They're actually hooked together. You see that? Unlock them. This brake for that tire, and the other brake for that tire, for both back tires. So we like to keep them locked most of the time when slippery conditions. And then down there is diff lock, and that locks the back tires together to give you better traction. And then over here is four-wheel drive. Sometimes it can be difficult to lift up, but no big deal. Has a 540E PTO. I'm not sure what this one does. It's for the PTO, but I'm not sure what it does. And this handle right here is for the 3-point hitch. If you push it forward, it'll go down just like the loader, man. And I'm not sure what this is. Somebody bothering me? Anybody? Anybody there? 'Cause I'll get you on camera. Wait a minute. Oh, Precious is peeing. I got fart. Oh, you heard it. Up there, AC. Fan speed, temperature, and that's AC. On and off. I'm gonna leave it on. Anyways, this one has like, I don't know, like, oh, it has 2 outlets. This is for a baler. Like, I can't open it. So, yeah, that's what it's for. It's kind of hard to open. And this one's a 12-volt charger phone, or whatever you have, man. It has 3 cup holders, one right there, one right there, and one right there. On 6M series, they mount them right here. Oh yeah, it's kind of cool. And then you have lights right here, and then your high beams. I'm not sure what this is. Maybe it's the ether or something. And then you have blinkers, left or right. Auto, I'm not sure what that is right there. Not sure what that is. I don't want to press it. Windshield wipers on and off. It has the spray if you push in on it. I'll leave them off because there's no rain. It's hot. It's a little hot in here because we live in Texas. All my exes live in Texas. Anyways, you know what? I think that's the end. Also, one more thing. This level, if you can adjust the seat with it. I'm gonna leave it back because Kevin is a tall person. I like to move it up a little bit because I'm short. I'm tall, but not that tall. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. That's what it looks like. Here's what the gauges look like. I'm gonna turn the power on. I'm not gonna turn it all the way on. This is what it looks like. So the hour meter glows up green right now. It has 300 hours on it. Not that many hours on it. turn signals, and turn it off so that way I don't drain the battery. And then lights, hazards, road lights, and this is full for just lights, like all your lights except for your flashers. I think that's it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Also, you better subscribe or I'm gonna take away all your stuff. Bye-bye. Thanks for subscribing, Scotty. Bye-bye.